Hello everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how to create fitness landing page design using only HTML and CSS. So as you guys can see on my computer screen, there is a beautiful landing page website, and let me show you the preview of this website that I will create in this video. So first of all, there is a navigation bar with logo fitness, and after that we have a beautiful and attractive background image, and after that here is some text as you guys can see, and after that we have a button, and when I hover on it, it transforms and looks very attractive. And after that we have social media icons, and when I hover on it, they just transforms and change their background and main color, and it looks very attractive. So today we are going to create this amazing and very attractive landing page using simple HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see on my computer screen, I already written some basic syntax of HTML, and now I will define a div with class name container. So I simply write div dot container, and I will again define a div with class name navigation bar. So I simply write div nav bar, and now I will write s3 heading. So I write s3 and define a class name class logo, and write a simple text fitness, save it. You can see the output on the output screen, fitness. After that I will write navigation tag, in which I will use ul and li tag to define navigation bar. So I simply write ul and li, and now I will use a tag to define the navigation bar or menu bar. So I simply write a href and home. As you can see on the output screen, I simply copy this and paste it below. Paste and paste. And now I will simply change the menu bar names. So here I write about, after that trainer, products, and at the last contact. Save it, and you can see the output on the screen. So guys, now I will write HTML for the content. So now first of all I will define a div class name content, div dot content, and now first of all I will write the h1 heading. So here I write h1 and get stronger and fitter. Now I will use br tag to jump to the next line, and now I will use span tag, and here I will write span class style and width, and I save it. So the text is coming, get stronger and fitter with us. And after that I will write the paragraph tag, so p, and I already write the text here. So I just select and copy it and use in my file, and just paste it here and save it, and the paragraph and the text is coming here. Okay, so after this I will create button and import social media icons. So simply I will write div and define a class name text, and now I will write button and again define a class with name button, and write some text here, get started, and save it. So the button is coming, get started. And after this I will again define a div with class name social media, and in which now I will import the social media icons from Font Everson website, and I already put the link here, so you can copy this link from font of some website and simply import the social media icons. So now here I write a href and I class fa Facebook and save it. So you guys can see the output. The Facebook logo, the Facebook icon is coming. So now simply I copied it and paste it below 2 more times to import 2 more icons. So now here I write Instagram and below here I write Twitter. So you can see the output. All the 3 media icons successfully imported. So we created the basic syntax. We write all the content for our web page. Now we will write CSS code and styling all the content and create a beautiful and a very attractive fitness landing page. So let's go. First of all, I will use universal selector. So here and now I will give the margin to 0 and same padding 0. Now I will give font family. So font family Poppins sans serif. Save it and so you can see the output. The font type is changed. So now I will write container class name and do some styling. So here first of all I will write height 100 vh, width 100%, and now I will import the background image. So actually I already downloaded it. So I simply write the name and import the image, but I will give the download link in the video description, so you guys can easily download the image. So here I will write background image and URL, and now I will write the image name 1.jpg and I save it. So the background image is successfully imported. So now I will set this image. So I will write background position center and background size cover. Now I will give some padding. So I will give padding right 5% and padding left 3%. Save it and see the output. So our image is successfully imported. And now first of all I will give box sizing border box and position relative and save it. And also I will give opacity to my background image. So I will write here opacity 0.9 and save it, and you can see the change here. So I successfully imported background image. Now I will write CSS code for the navigation bar and logo. So here I simply write dot navbar and I will give width which is 100% and height 15 bh, margin auto, display property flex and align items center. And now I will use a flex property here which is flex 1 and I will give the padding. So I write here padding left 660 pixel and I save it, and you can see the output here. The navigation bar comes at center. Now I will write CSS for list. So I write here navigation ul li display. I will change the display property to inline block. So I will write inline block and I save it. So you can see the change here. And now I will write a list style none and give some margin, so 0 and 10 pixel. So you can see here. And now I will write navigation ul li a and change the color and text decoration of the navigation bar. So simply I will write here color white and text decoration none. I will show you the output. As you can see, the color and the text decoration is changed. And now I will set the font size here. So font size 15 pixel and also font weight 600 and text transform to uppercase. Save it and I will show you the output. So our navigation bar is successfully created. So now I will add some hover effect to my navigation bar. So simply I will write here navigation ul li a hover and change the color to aqua and add transition property and give the value to 0.5s. So when I hover on the navigation bar, as you guys can see on the output screen, and it looks very attractive. So now I will write CSS for my main content. So now here I will write dot content and I will give the positioning. So I will write position relative. So here I will also write CSS for my logo. So here I will write code for my logo. Simply I write dot logo and font size I will give 35 pixel and color hashtag F5 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 and margin top 5 pixel, text transform uppercase and cursor pointer. So my logo is created. So guys, now I will write CSS for my heading h1. So simply I will write here h1 and now I will write text transform to uppercase and font weight 800, line height 63 pixel and margin top 100 pixel, font size 45 pixel and now color white. So I save it and you can see the output here. Get stronger and fitter with us. Now I will change the color and font size of this text with us. So simply here I will write h1 dot style. So I will change the color to aqua and give some more font size 65 pixel and font weight 800. So as you can see the output here, get stronger with and fitter with us, and it looks very beautiful. So now I will write CSS for the paragraph tag. I will write here P and change the color to white and give some font weight 300 and change the margin top 23 pixel. So it's done. You can see the output here. So now I will write CSS for the button and social media icons. So here I will write dot text and change the positioning to relative and display property flex and align items center. And now I will write CSS for button. So I will write here dot button, and first of all I will change the background color. So I will write background color and I will give aqua, and now I will change the margin top 50 pixel. You can see the output here. Get started. The background color changed, and now I will give some padding. So padding 15 pixel and 30 pixel, and now I will write border and give none, and also I will remove the outline, so it is none. And now I will give transition 0.5 as text transform to uppercase, and cursor pointer I will show you here. And now I will give font weight 700, and now I will change the font size here. So font size to 24 pixel, and now display to block and border radius 30 pixel. You can see the output here. The button looks very attractive. So here I will give the color white and change the background size, and now I will write box shadow 3 pixel, 8 pixel, 22 pixel, RGBA 22, 21, 21 and 0.15. So our button is ready, as you guys can see on the output screen, and it looks very beautiful. So now I will add over effect on the button. So I will simply write button over, and I will use transform property, transform scale 1.1, transition 0.5s. I will show you. When I hover on the button, it will transform, as you can see. So now I will write CSS for the social media icons. So here I will write dot social media. So first of all I will give margin. So margin top 50 pixel. After that margin left again 50 pixel, and text decoration value is none. Now I will change the font size. So font size 27 pixel. Save it, and you can see the output here. So now I will change the color. So here I will write dot icons and color padding 12 pixel, 10 pixel and 12 pixel. Now I will give background color. So I will write here background color hashtag FF means white, and give some border radius so it looks more attractive. So I will write here 50%. So you can see the output here. Oops, sorry, here I have to write only padding. So now you can see the output here. Now it looks attractive. So I will write margin left 10 pixel and gypsum height 27 pixel, also width which is same 27 pixel. Okay, now text align, center, and again box shadow 3 pixel, 8 pixel, 22 pixel, RGBA 22, 21, 21 and 0.50. So our social media icons are ready, as you can see here. So now again I will add a hover effect on my social media icons. So I will simply write here icons and hover, transform, scale 1.1 and color white, and now I will change the background color, background color aqua, and give some transition all 0.5s. So let's check it out. When I hover on the social media icons, wow, it looks very great. It looks amazing. So our fitness landing page using only HTML and CSS is ready. As you can see, the button and social media icons and a beautiful background image. So that's all for today, guys. And after watching this video, I am damn sure you guys can easily create these types of beautiful landing page designs using HTML and CSS. So keep building projects and keep learning. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.